doves lived together in a group. They had a wise leader. One day they were flying over a forest. They saw some rice scattered on the ground. The doves were very hungry and they wanted to eat the rice. But the leader was thoughtful. He said that it was unusual to find rice in a forest. He was afraid to eat the rice, but the other doves did not listen to their leader. They went down to eat the rice. Their feet were caught in a net. They cried out for help. Their leader asked them to keep quiet. He thought of a plan to free the doves. He asked all of them to fly up together. Thus they were able to carry the net with them. Their leader took them to his friend, a mouse. The mouse cut the net into bits. The doves were free. The doves thanked the mouse and their leader. They decided to obey their leader. The moral of the story is unity is strength.